Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Vedika and on this channel we talk about topics related to motherhood, baby care, lifestyle and so on. So today we are going to talk about postpartum depression. As most of you know, I am a new mom, so recently I've read a lot about this topic and I truly believe that it needs much more attention and it needs much more to be talked about. But before we begin that, if you are new to this channel or you have not yet subscribed to it, please click on the subscribe button below and join in. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications about the new videos that I post. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So सबसे पहले let's understand what is postpartum depression. इस टर्म को समझने के लिए there is another term linked to it which is called baby blues or postpartum blues. Basically, after 2 weeks of a delivery or say 14 days, mixed emotions come up into your life. कभी रोना, कभी हंसना, बेबी के साथ वो कनेक्शन फील नहीं होना, कुछ अजीब सी सैडनेस, एंजाइटी, ये सब चीज़ें फील करना इस बेबी ब्लूज. डर लगना कि क्या मेरा बेबी ठीक रहेगा, क्या कोई उसको मैनेज कर पाएगा, कहीं मैं ही कुछ गलत ना कर दूं, मेरे से ही कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, या फिर यू फेल टू एस्टैब्लिश दैट कनेक्शन. वो छोटा सा नन्हा सा बच्चा जिसका आपको इतने टाइम से वेट था, वो आ गया है, बट यू डू नॉट हैव that connection with that. This is called baby blues. If I talk about my personal experience, I felt the same thing. मुझे अपने बच्चे का बहुत टाइम से वेट था. Even when I was pregnant, I was so happy and I was on cloud 9. But जब मेरा बेबी हुआ, I failed to establish that love connection for a few days. And I did not tell my husband even about this because मुझे लगता था कि कोई क्या सोचेगा और कैसा लगेगा सबको कि ये कैसी मदर है. बट ट्रस्ट मी गर्ल्स, दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन एंड ये बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है एंड वी आर नॉट इवन अवेयर कि कितने लोगों को इससे गुजरना पड़ता है एंड इट इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल. सो यूजुअली आफ्टर 1 or 2 और मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आफ्टर 2-3 वीक्स ये फेड आउट हो जाता है एंड everything gets back to normal. However, if this condition is prolonged for more than 2 weeks or say 2 to 3 weeks, this could be postpartum depression. Now, postpartum depression can begin any time from 2 to 4 weeks of your delivery or up till 12 months after the child is born. Or कुछ cases में it can even develop even before the child is born. So that is why you are pregnant. According to different studies done globally, 60 to 70% of new mothers at minimum will experience baby blues and 10 to 20% of the new mothers will experience clinical postpartum depression. And in India, this number is even higher. WHO के statistics के accordingly, India में 22% women experience clinical postpartum depression. And this number is supposed to be higher because most of the cases are unreported. Achha, this condition is also experienced by new fathers. They can also develop depression. So approximately 10% of the new fathers may experience postpartum depression and especially those fathers whose partners develop postpartum depression may experience or may develop depression themselves. However, since the majority of population affected or impacted by this type of depression is female, so आज के टॉपिक में, आज के डिस्कशन में we have more focus on the new mothers. हमारी सोसाइटी में जिस तरह का माइंडसेट है एंड जो स्टिग्मा है towards mental health, people do not talk about it and most of the people do not know about this term. And अगर पता भी है तो women do not talk about it because they think कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग कहेंगे कि ये पागल हो गई है या ये कैसी माँ है जिसको अपने बच्चे से प्यार नहीं, वगैरह वगैरह. जो कि मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस किया था या खुद फील किया था while I was going through baby blues. But guys, seriously talking, it's high time we need to talk about this, we need to discuss this, and we need to be more aware of it. This is not something that you should be embarrassed about. ये simply एक medical condition है that needs to be treated just like we treat diabetes or any other heart troubles or maybe a common viral fever that we get. अब इस पे आते हैं कि how do you know you have postpartum depression, या simply saying what are the symptoms of postpartum depression. So the number one symptom is extreme sadness. Sadness जो आपके अंदर है, you feel it but you cannot explain it. आपके अंदर कुछ गम है, कुछ उदासी है, that you cannot help but it is there. Number two, desire to be alone. आप किसी से मिलना नहीं चाहते हैं, आप अकेले रहना चाहते हैं, and you do not want to talk to anyone, not even your very close friends. Number three, isolating yourself. आप खुद को सबसे अलग कर लेते हो. You do not want to meet people or take calls or reply to any messages. Number four, unexplainable and excessive crying. So there is constant crying जिसको you cannot explain. You do not know why you're crying, क्या कारण है, क्या reason है, बस रोना आता है. Girls hide in their bathroom और उनके अपने रूम में छुप छुप कर रोना, but simply you cannot do anything about it. Number four, over possessiveness or no attachment with your baby. So इस टर्म में there are two things, two feelings. Over possessiveness, जिसमें कि आपको बच्चे के साथ इतना ज़्यादा over possessiveness है that you do not trust anyone with your baby, not even your partner. आपको लगता है कि आपके बेबी को आपसे ज़्यादा कोई नहीं समझ सकता, कोई नहीं संभाल सकता, so you do not hand over your child, you refuse to hand over your child to anyone, even your partner. The second thing is no attachment with the baby, जिसमें you do not feel any love or any affection or any attachment towards the baby. बेबी के खाने का, फीड का, नहाने का, किसी चीज़ की कोई परवाह नहीं, यहाँ तक कि बच्चे की सेफ्टी की भी कोई परवाह नहीं, बिकॉज द मदर इज सिंपली नॉट हरसेल्फ, वो खुद में कहीं खो चुकी है. एंड नंबर 6 इज फीलिंग डिस्कनेक्टेड. यू हैव अ फीलिंग ऑफ डिस्कनेक्शन फ्रॉम एवरीवन except for the baby. Disconnection from everyone means it includes your partner, your mother, your sister, or like anyone and everyone around you. आप किसी से हेल्प नहीं लेना चाहते हो एंड आप किसी से हेल्प मांगना भी नहीं चाहते हो, एंड यू डू नॉट वांट कि कोई आपकी हेल्प करे. यू डू नॉट वांट कि कोई आपसे पूछे कि तुझे क्या हुआ है. You feel so angry if somebody asks you about it, and neither you want to talk about it. अब बात करते हैं that how would you know that you have postpartum depression, और ये क्यों होता है और कैसे होता है. So one of the main or like the most common reason is hormonal changes. Pregnancy से till your childbirth or up till 6 to 12 months of your डिलीवरी, आपकी बॉडी में लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हार्मोनल चेंजेस होते हैं. हार्मोन्स की एक कर्व बॉल इज गोइंग थ्रू विद इन योर बॉडी, जिसकी वजह से यू आर थ्रोन आउट ऑफ योर प्लेस, जिसकी वजह से यू कैन फील अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विच में इंक्लूड टायर्डनेस और स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी और इवन पोस्टपार्टम डिप्रेशन. नेक्स्ट इज fatigue and tiredness. So baby birth itself is a very tiring process. आपको बहुत थकान महसूस होती है, आपको लगता है कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, बस आपको बैठे रहना है और सिर्फ आराम करना है. टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द बेबी, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर डेली चोर्स, घर का काम करना, all this may be very tiring for most of the girls. Next thing is lack of sleep. Sleep itself is very very important and crucial for human health or mental health of a person. Normally भी अगर आप अपनी लाइफ में do not get proper sleep for say a week or so, आप खुद ही अपने अंदर behavioral changes feel करने लगते हैं. So जो new moms हैं, they do not get time for proper sleep. Again, baby care, your housework, your job, ये सब चीज़ें takes up most of your time. And कभी कभी सोते हुए भी you suddenly wake up ये सोचकर कि कहीं मेरे बच्चे को कुछ हो तो नहीं गया या मेरा बच्चा ठीक है या नहीं. This can lead to postpartum depression. Now next pointer is body image issues. एक प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम से लेकर डिलीवरी पोस्ट चाइल्ड बर्थ तक आपकी बॉडी में बहुत सारे फिजिकल चेंजेस भी आते हैं. एक सुंदर सी अच्छी सी दिखने वाली बॉडी में अब बहुत सारा बेबी फैट है. दैट कैन टेक अ टोल ऑन योर माइंड. आपको ये लगता है कि अब मैं कभी पतली नहीं हो सकती हूँ, आई कैन नेवर बी नॉर्मल और बी व्हाट आई वाज लाइक बिफोर आई वाज प्रेग्नेंट. नेक्स्ट थिंग कुड बी फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज. सो आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस हैं, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. मे बी यू डू नॉट हैव योर होम और मे बी यू हैव अ नंबर ऑफ लोन्स ऑन यू, या फिर सिंपली आप ये फील करते हैं दैट यू कैन नॉट सपोर्ट योर चाइल्ड फाइनेंशियली जिस तरह से आप उसको सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं. दिस कुड इवन लीड टू postpartum depression. Next point that we can talk about, or that could be a possible reason, and I think this is another very big problem in our society, which is domestic violence or unhappy marriage. So domestic violence could be a very important or maybe a huge reason that may lead to postpartum depression. Violence at home, or when your husband or your in-laws are not cooperative with you or they are abusive, that can also mess up your mind. Unhappy marriage, you are not happy with your partner, you do not think this is the right person with whom you want to spend your life. This could lead to postpartum depression. And the next topic or the next point is unplanned pregnancy, which is आजकल के ज़माने में when we plan everything, कौन से कॉलेज में जाना है, कौन सी जॉब करनी है, कब शादी करनी है, इस सब में when you have an unplanned pregnancy simply because you were not ready physically or emotionally or financially to have a baby, that could lead to postpartum depression. Next point is socio-cultural factors like desire for a male child. हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में desire for a male child is a very very huge topic for discussion. In-laws को जब से लड़की प्रेग्नेंट होती है तब से they start saying हमें तो लड़का ही चाहिए, हमें तो लड़का ही चाहिए. And in some cases even the women feel like they need a boy. And ऐसे सिनेरियो में if you have a girl, that can seriously impact your mind. It can mess up your mind and may lead you to depression. Next point is unable to breastfeed. घर पे सब कहते हैं बच्चे को मदर फीड ही देनी चाहिए, बच्चे के लिए मदर फीड ही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट. Agreed, but what if you're not able to do it for some possible reason, maybe some medical reason, you are not able to breastfeed your child. That does not make you any less of a mother. You equally love your child, and that should not be a reason to feel any disconnect or to feel embarrassed. Next point could be previous case of depression. So in cases where you have a previous history of depression, in such cases ये जो new mothers हैं, they can again develop the symptoms or they can again develop postpartum depression. Next possible reason could be social distancing. You think everything is changed in your life. कुछ भी नॉर्मल नहीं है, कुछ नॉर्मल कभी नहीं हो सकता. People do not like you, people do not want to talk to you, and ultimately you do not talk to people. You stop taking up their calls, attending to their messages, and stop meeting everyone. So social distancing may hamper your life and your mind. Next important point is stress and anxiety. Childbirth itself is a very tiring process, and it takes up a lot of energy. It is a lot of it's an energy consuming task. ऊपर से all the things that you need to manage, again your baby, yourself, your family, your job, ये सब may cause a lot of stress and a lot of anxiety and may eventually lead to postpartum depression. अब ये जानने की कोशिश करते हैं what you can do about fixing this problem. इसको आप कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. इसमें the most important role is played by your partner. आपका पार्टनर सबसे पहले ये अंडरस्टैंड कर सकता है या ये ऑब्जर्व कर सकता है that there is something wrong. You are not being yourself and you need help. He can say तुम वो नहीं हो जो तुम एक्चुअल में हो. So your partner can raise this, can highlight it. And the next thing that is very important is self-acceptance. You need to accept that there is something wrong with you. This is not you. You need to accept कि कुछ तो problem है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है मेरे साथ. That needs to be fixed and that needs to be helped with. Now, how you can help? The first thing is talk about it. Talk to your confidant. जिस पे आपको सबसे ज़्यादा trust है. Your partner, your mother, your sister, or maybe a very close friend. Anyone. Talk to them. Tell them what you are feeling. Tell them आपके अंदर कैसे emotions हैं, कैसी feelings है that you're feeling. You have a desire for constant crying and crying and crying, and raise a flag that you need help. Next is call up your doctor. Call your doctor, take an appointment, go to your doctor and simply tell her or him what you're feeling. Maybe you can contact your gynecologist. Doctors are so well experienced कि वो देखते ही और maybe आपकी बातें सुनते ही they can simply understand that you are going through postpartum depression, or maybe you are in the early stage of postpartum depression. थोड़ी सी medicines और diet change के साथ this could be fixed. ये ठीक हो सकता है, and maybe within a week or so, or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, देखते ही देखते you will yourself feel that you are better, you feel better, and things are going back to normal. Take a stroll, walk around your society, go out, meet your friends and family, सबसे मिलें, बात करें, and please get out of that room, get out of that house. You need that time. Ask for some me time. Watch movies, or maybe listen to your favorite music. This will seriously refresh yourself, refresh you, refresh your soul, and give your mind some break. Next could be do some yoga or exercise. Maybe just taking out 10 minutes from your 24 hours, go for a little jog or maybe exercise or do some yoga. This will seriously refresh you, rejuvenate you, and divert your mind from all that stupid and like all those things that are going on and on and on in your mind. अब जब हमने इस सब के बारे में बात कर ली है, तो let's also discuss what if this is left untreated. If left untreated, postpartum depression may lead to extreme conditions like postpartum psychosis or postpartum suicidal tendencies. In such scenarios, the patient or the mother may need to be hospitalized to get well. Also, these conditions may be very, very dangerous for the mother. mother and the baby, and also may have a long lasting impact on the whole family. So dear mommies, please understand this. If you are going through any of this, talk to someone, get this treated. I would advise every woman must talk to at least one other woman, so that इसके बारे में और ज़्यादा awareness बढ़े and इसके बारे में लोगों को और ज़्यादा समझ आए. With this, I will end this video, and अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं that I talk more about such topics, तो please leave in the comment section and बताइए the topics that you would like to discuss. I will try to make more videos of that. So for now, take care. Bye bye.